Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to combine DKIM with DMARC. So firstly, go to the wizard at all-in-one DMARC DKIM and SPF wizard, and you will see the wizard's getting started page like this. So once you are on this page, enter your email domain you want to protect and hit the next button to set up SPF. Next, the built-in SPF record generator pops up. Enter the settings that applies to your domain. If you send emails from your own server pointed to by your domain, keep the default settings. If you delegate email delivery to third-party services, enter them in the includes fields as well. In the example above, they used SendGrid.net as their third-party delivery service. If you have multiple, be sure to separate them by spaces. After that, just click Generate SPF Record and you will have your SPF record generated below. Now that you have your SPF record, click to the Publish it in the DNS. In this step, the wizard uses GoDaddy as an example. If you use other DNS providers, the UI should be similar. After you are done, use the SPF checker to confirm the SPF record has been taken effect in the DNS. Then hit the next button, and here you will create two DKIM records. Since they are using SendGrid as their email service, they can use their dashboard to create them. If you are using other email delivery services, refer to their documentation for how to create DKIM records. Hit the next button, where you will publish the DKIM record created in step 3 in the DNS. Now after that, you will just generate your DMARC record and hit the DMARC record, and your DMARC will be generated. Since you have performed all the steps for a basic DMARC, DKIM, and SPF deployment, let's check the entire setup. And that's it. Thanks for watching.